investing. REI Estates offer an excellent opportunity to invest in real estate with little money, providing passive income, diversification, and liquidity. By choosing the right REITs, reinvesting dividends, and maintaining a long-term approach, you can build wealth over time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, REITs can help you grow your portfolio without the need for direct property ownership. Additionally, REITs provide access to high-quality commercial properties that would typically be out of reach for individual investors. With the ability to invest through REIT ETFs and mutual funds, you can further reduce risk while gaining exposure to multiple real estate sectors. By leveraging tax-advantaged accounts, you can maximize returns and minimize tax burdens, making REITs an efficient investment choice. Staying informed about market trends, interest rates, and economic conditions will help you make better investment decisions. With patience and strategic planning, REITs can become a powerful tool for building long-term financial security and generating consistent passive income. That's it for today.